What is the process to obtain a FedEx account number?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the simple process of obtaining your very own FedEx account number. A FedEx account number gives you access to a variety of services offered by FedEx, such as scheduling pickups, shipping parcels, and tracking shipments. Knowing how to get this number is essential for taking full advantage of FedEx's services.
Why do you need a FedEx account number?
First, let's understand why you need a FedEx account number. This unique identifier is your key to a host of services provided by FedEx. It allows you to 1. Create shipping labels for your packages. 2. Schedule pickups at your convenience. 3. Track your shipments in real time. 4. Manage and pay your shipping bills. 5. And even customize your delivery options.
How to register for a FedEx account?
Obtaining a FedEx account number is a simple and straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. 1. Visit the FedEx website. You can start by visiting the official FedEx website on your desktop or mobile device. 2. Create an account. On the top right corner of the home page, you'll find a button labeled Create an Account. Click on it to start the registration process. 3. Fill in your details. You will be prompted to fill out a form with your personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure you fill in all the required fields accurately. 4. Set up your account preferences. In the next section, you will set up your shipping preferences, including your preferred language and currency. 5. Submit your registration. Once you've filled in all the details and set up your preferences, click on the Continue or Submit button. Your registration request will then be processed by FedEx. 6. Get your FedEx account number. Upon successful registration, FedEx will provide you with your account number. Make sure you note it down and keep it safe.
What to do after getting your FedEx account number?
After obtaining your FedEx account number, you are now ready to take advantage of all the services FedEx offers. You can now schedule shipments, track your parcels, and manage your account settings. It's important to remember your account number, as it's required for most transactions and customer service inquiries. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to obtain your FedEx account number. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're ready to make the most of FedEx's services. Happy shipping!